Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about branding. Branding is one of the key topics in this course. In this course, we have discussed about creation of AI video, and then we have discussed about editing of AI video using CapCut. Now we are discussing about branding. This is one of the key elements that we have while using AI videos. If you know how to brand your product or AI video, then you can show your AI video in front of many customers or clients. So it's not simply about creating a video and delivering it to audience. It is also about showing your brand. What is your brand talking about? What is the speciality of your brand? Maybe you may want to add your logo to your video. So these are all the things that we can check in branding. So to elevate your story, branding is required. First impressions stick. In AI video, branding makes you recognizable and memorable. Why? What is branding in AI video? It is visual identity. Your logo, colors, and fonts create the foundation of recognition. Maybe you upload, let's say, for example, 10 videos on YouTube or 20 videos on TikTok or any other platform. The moment somebody sees your video, when they see your font, when they see the color or the logo or the font, in the first few seconds they should understand, yes, I know whose brand is this. So they should have some idea. Whenever they come across your video, they don't even have to play your video. When the moment it comes on their screen, on their phone or iPad or whatever it is, they should get this idea. Voice and tone, how you talk about your brand, how you talk about your product, how you talk about your service, what is the kind of narration style, captions and messaging that you are using. Consistency, character, transitions and music create a cohesive experience. Maybe you want to use some 5 seconds personal track in the beginning of every video. So these are all things that matter and give a lot of value to your branding. Why branding is important? It builds trust and credibility. And the second one is it makes content instantly recognizable. Viewers can identify your videos at a glance, building brand awareness over time. So the moment they see your content, they will easily understand, okay, this is Tom's video, or this is Catherine's video, or this is Kiran's video, or whatever it is. Creates professional look and feel. Helps videos stand out. Branding in practice. So if you want to have branding in your videos, you can follow these things. You can give a nice intro and outro for your video. You can add consistent colors and fonts. You can use subtle watermarks, and also you can give characters and narration style. Let's say for example, in my video I have used animation, 3D Pixar animation. So this is some kind of style. So these are some examples that you can follow. So what is the impact of branding? Memorable recognition. Viewers remember you. Whenever they come across your video, they'll be like, okay, I know this person, and they will have this positive feeling when they see your video. Strong branding creates lasting impressions that build audience loyalty over time. So you will get a lot of loyal customers when you have branding. Higher engagement. Strong branding leads to higher engagement, more shares and better conversions as audience connect with your consistent identity. Cross-platform scaling makes scaling content across platforms easier, whether you are on YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn or other social channels. So you can easily brand your video in different social media platforms when you have branding. So what is the key takeaway? AI makes video creation easy, branding makes it powerful. When you merge AI's efficiency with strategy branding, you create professional, trustworthy and memorable content that stands out in today's competitive digital landscape. Remember, your brand is your promise to your audience. Make it count in every frame. All right. So this is the main reason why we need to focus a lot on branding when you make AI videos. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.